NVIDIA is a big name in technology. They make powerful computer chips. These chips are used in many things, including artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like a super smart computer brain. It needs protection from hackers. NVIDIA has created a new tool to do just that. It is called DOCA Argus. DOCA Argus is a cybersecurity framework. It acts like a security guard for AI systems. It lives inside NVIDIA's special computers called Bluefield. From there, it can watch over everything happening in the AI factory. This is a big deal for businesses that use AI. Think of an AI factory like a car factory, but instead of cars, it builds smart programs. These programs can do things like predict the weather or drive self-driving cars. If hackers get into the factory, they can steal those programs or mess them up. DOCA Argus stops them. DOCA Argus is really good at its job. It can spot threats in real time. This means it can catch hackers as they are trying to break in, not after they have already caused damage. It's like having a security camera that can also call the police the instant it sees a crime happening. One of the coolest things about DOCA Argus is that it's agentless. This means it doesn't need to install anything on the AI system to protect it. It's like a ghost that can watch over the factory without anyone knowing it's there. This makes it super fast and efficient. It can detect threats up to 1,000 times faster than other security systems. DOCA Argus doesn't slow down the AI system. This is important because AI systems need to be fast to work properly. Imagine if your security guard constantly asked you for your ID, it would slow you down. DOCA Argus is like a super efficient guard that never sleeps and never gets in the way. NVIDIA isn't working alone. They are partnering with other companies to make AI security even better. One of these companies is Cisco. Cisco is a leader in networking equipment. Together, NVIDIA and Cisco are creating a secure AI factory architecture. This is like a blueprint for building super secure AI systems. DOCA Argus can also work with other security tools that companies might already be using. These tools are like security cameras and alarms. DOCA Argus acts like a control center, bringing all the information together and making it easier to spot threats. NVIDIA recently showed off DOCA Argus at the RSA conference. This is a big cybersecurity event. Think of it like the Super Bowl of cybersecurity. People come from all over the world to learn about the latest security technologies. NVIDIA being there shows that they are serious about AI security. AI is becoming more and more common in our world. It's being used in everything from healthcare to finance to transportation. As AI becomes more popular, it's more important than ever to keep it safe from hackers. NVIDIA is leading the charge with innovative solutions like DOCA Argus. By working together with other companies and sharing their knowledge, NVIDIA is helping to make AI safer for everyone. This means we can all enjoy the benefits of AI without having to worry about the risks, and that's something we can all be thankful for.